So listen, I'm gonna show y'all how to make y'all store-bought ramen taste extra dextra delicious, okay? So the first thing I'm gonna do is start off with some red bell peppers. Then I'm gonna go ahead and cut up some yellow onion. Now I will drop the recipe in the description box as well as the comment section. You can add however much you want, that's okay. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add some mushrooms in there. Now I know a lot of people don't like mushrooms, so you don't have to put them in there. Again, I love them, so I'm gonna use them. And of course, come on, y'all should know by now. It ain't no recipe if it ain't got garlic, okay? So I'm gonna mince mine up real good, and then I'm gonna cut up some Nappa cabbage. Now, you can use regular cabbage, it'll still be good. I had Nappa cabbage in my refrigerator, so that's what I use. Then I'm gonna go ahead and roll it up just like you would do greens, and then I'm gonna go ahead and slice it. So for the vegetables, we got mushrooms, red bell peppers, Nappa cabbage, onions, and fresh minced garlic. So in a wok pan, I'm gonna put a whole bunch of water in there. Then I'm gonna add some unsalted butter and some black sesame seed oil. Okay, this is what sets this ramen apart from store-bought ramen. That black seed sesame oil. Okay. So then I'm gonna go ahead and add the chicken flavoring that the noodles came with, and then I'm gonna add the dry vegetables in there. Then I'm gonna add the red peppers in there and the garlic and the mushrooms. I'm adding that first because I want both of those to turn soft. And for an additional kick that's gonna set it apart from other ramen, is adding that ginger paste in there. Then I'm gonna add some red pepper flakes to give it a little spice because I like a little spice. Then I'm gonna add the rest of those vegetables in there, and because this had a lot of water in it, for some extra seasoning, I'm gonna use adobo without pepper. Then I'm gonna mix that up. Now you guys, this is gonna cook super fast, so you gotta be quick when you're making this, unless your noodles gonna turn into mush. So let's go ahead and plate this. So I'm gonna use the same plate that the ramen originally came in, just to keep it, give it that ramen feeling. Okay, and guess what, you guys? This time I did not use parsley as a garnish. I'm gonna be different and use green onion as a garnish. Now look at that. This was super easy. It's really good. You got to give it a try.